I've got a case from JETech for the iPhone 15 Pro, which is a phone I unboxed in my previous video. So if you haven't watched it already, I'd highly recommend you go do that first. It'll be linked somewhere in the video right about now. And before I tell you anything about the case, let's just go ahead and unbox this thing. Now, I'll say this, the iPhones are way too good to be used without a case. I've had this irrational fear of dropping my phone, especially an iPhone, breaking it completely. And to be fair, we've been traumatized since the 4th generation of the iPhone, which would break like crazy. Now, the first thing in the box is this product warranty card. Not much to see or read in there. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box and have a look at the case. And now the case itself, very nicely packaged, especially this foam thing, which I'm always a big fan of. And the case itself, nicely wrapped. So here's the case. Now the listing says this case is certified as military grade shock protection for a 6 feet drop test, and specifically designed with shock absorbing cornered cushions, highly protects your iPhone against severe damage. Now I know cases with a honeycomb back texture sort of dissipate the shock and makes it less of an impact on your phone. This doesn't have that since it's a clear back, but I think the edges are very nicely protected with this flexible TPU material, and the back of course is a translucent plastic back, which wouldn't really do too much. Now I know a lot of people that want a clear back case, it's good for that, but if you want more protection, you want something that has more of a texture like the honeycomb I mentioned earlier. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone and see how it fits. And I'm just gonna slide it very gently. And there it is. That's it. Fits very snug. Not much force needed. And the buttons are pretty nice. They have a nice touch to them. It holds pretty well in the hand. And it looks quite good as well. And I'm definitely a fan of this matte back. Not collecting any fingerprints, which is definitely a plus. And here, most importantly, the fact that the camera and the screen are protected. The case has this raised bumper effect both for the camera and the front screen, so whenever you're going to put it down, either faced up or down, your screen or camera would not be touching. So this is definitely a plus. You never want your screen or camera to be touching directly. These are the most vulnerable areas on your phone, so this case is doing a very good job on that. And I think most cases these days do provide that, but it's good to know that they're doing a good job doing what they're intended for, essentially. And that's it. I think it's pretty sturdy. I like the case. And I would recommend, if you guys are looking for a case that is clear on the back, this is definitely one to go for. But generally speaking, more protection, you want one with a pattern on the back, such as the honeycomb. And that's it, folks. There you have it. That's the JETech case for the iPhone 15 Pro. And if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys.